What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a scanner error on your Epson EcoTank printer. The first thing we are going to want to do guys is to cancel any scanning jobs that we have going on our computer. To do that, you just close the scanning app and or the scanning app on your phone. And once we've done that guys, I'm going to get right into how to fix it. Now, I am using an ET 2950 series printer, but guys, to be honest, this should work on any EcoTank printer. If you have a 2800 or 2700, it should work just the same. I don't think we're going to be using the screen on our printer, so it works for any EcoTank printer, but let's get into it guys. The first thing we are going to do is to disconnect our printer. So guys, we are going to disconnect our printer by taking the cable out of the back, and then we're going to wait maybe 30 to 60 seconds and place it back in. Okay guys, the next thing we're going to do is to make sure our document on the scanner is placed properly. So we're going to lift our scanner hood guys, and I'm just going to show you what to do. So when we lift our scanner hood, the things that we should be looking out for guys is that our document is face down on the glass. So the scan that we want the side that we want to scan should be face down on the glass like this, and it should be on the arrow. If you have a different model of printer, it might be somewhere else on the scanner lid, but you can see here as well guys that this is the way it should be facing. So it should be facing the arrow, and this will be the top side of your document. So the top of your document should go this way. Now we're going to close this, and what we're going to do guys is we're going to make a copy directly from the printer. If this works, then you will know that you don't have a scanner error. You just have a problem with your device that is trying to scan or send the scanning signal. So let's try make a copy now. We're going to press copy. Just do a simple black and white one for now, and then press copy here, and then it's going to copy one page of A4 paper. Okay guys, so if that copy has successfully been done, and hopefully it has, otherwise you do have a proper hardware or software issue with your printer. And I would honestly suggest either returning it if you can, or taking it to maybe a shop, because this isn't really something that's that fixable at home. Maybe factory reset your printer, that might help. But if it doesn't even copy, then you likely need to get it serviced. But if you are able to copy guys, then the solution is just to print from scan from another device. So if you're scanning from your computer, then either try a different computer or scan from your phone using the Epson Smart app. Now, I do have a video on how to connect both of those things to your printer in the description below. So make sure that you check those out, guys, if this was helpful to you and you did manage to make a copy. And yeah, check those out, guys. Make sure you connect and then try and scan from those devices. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your printer, as that might help. But that's it guys, thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, if you have a bigger issue than this, then it's not something you can really fix yourself unless you really know what you're doing. I wouldn't recommend trying to pull apart your printer and fix it. Otherwise, you are at a serious risk of just damaging the whole thing and voiding your warranty. But thank you guys for watching. If this did help, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. That would help us out so much. But yeah, guys, check out the rest of our channel for any other printer tutorials or any other guides. We have anything you could possibly need. But see you guys in the next one.